Back when I was 10 or 11, I was super excited to get to play a game called RuneScape. This game was super cool because you could play it on your computer without having to download anything, so you didn't have to ask any permission from parents. You could just load the game up and play. With that, my mom did put a restriction on me. At this time, it was very scary to be a young person on the internet. People were very worried about getting kidnapped through the internet, so my mom put a restriction on, which was, hey, you can play the game, just don't tell anyone your name. And a few days later, I was walking around Varrock when a man walked up to me and asked, would you like to buy some black trimmed armor? And I said, of course I would. He goes, actually, I'll give it to you. What's your name? And I put my full name into chat and hit enter. My mom happened to be looking over my shoulder, and she saw me type my entire name into chat. At that moment, I lost my RuneScape privileges for another year. Hi, McAllister Cox here with Toasty DIY, now flagrantly saying my name on the internet almost every day. And I want to talk to you all about some nostalgia I have for the game RuneScape, and something I was excited to achieve these last few weeks through RuneScape Leagues, which were two items that as a kid I really wanted. You saw them in the thumbnail, the woodcutting cape and the abyssal whip. These were things that I always wanted to get when I played RuneScape, but I never had the time, the dedication, or the willingness to do the grinds required. When it comes to RuneScape, I really do enjoy it, but when you have a grind for, let's say, rune crafting somewhere around 120 hours, the problem is I have fun for the first, 40 levels, and then I just, the activity loses all dopamine for me around that, 2-hour mark, because I start gaining a level every 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and it just stops being fun to me. So when I heard there was a mode in RuneScape that would let me do less grinding, achieve more, and all that, it sounded awesome. But the one thing I didn't really understand was that it was an Iron Man. Now, come to find out, that made this game mode very fun. I really enjoyed the Iron Man status, but oh my gosh, was that hard for me. I had ChatGPT open at almost all times on another monitor, asking things like, hey, is there magic trees in Misthalin? How do I get to that magic tree? What's the fastest way? I don't have that teleport. I've not done lunar diplomacy. What's another way? All these sorts of things I just had to go through and find out trial by error, and I got to do a lot of things in RuneScape that I never got to do before, and I just wanted to come on here and talk about that. So if you are somebody who is nostalgic for RuneScape, but you've gone back and played it and you didn't have a great time, maybe it wasn't for you anymore, or it's because the game just seems a little slow, Leagues is the perfect way to get back in there and try it out and it not be as slow. If you started playing now, you could probably 99 at least 5 or 6 skills if you just played, 5 hours a day, which is just unheard of when you think of current RuneScape or current old school RuneScape. And it's a great way to just challenge your nostalgia, because you will see areas of the game that you walked past a million times as a kid. I don't think I ever went to Karamja as a kid. I definitely did do lobsters, but I didn't know what Brimhaven was. Surely I didn't even know the fight cape at that point. The fire cape, the fight caves, never did them, didn't understand that. I think my biggest thing I ever got was the Granite Maul, and I was so happy when I got the Granite Maul. I thought I was crazy good at the game. I was just going and smacking hill giants every day. I pretty much would go to the sewers, smack hill giants or the Edgeville dungeon, and just continue to do that over and over and over again. That was something that I just knew how to do. My brothers taught me what key went into the door, and I was super excited, and that's what I did most of the time. But they would be doing things like killing blue dragons and getting leather and all that, and I thought it was super cool what they were up to, and so that's how I would learn what to be interested in. I would just look at my brothers to go, what item do you want? That's the one I want. And one of those items that I'll never forget was the Abyssal Whip. I just thought it was so cool looking. You would hear that across the map when someone was attacking with it, and I thought it was so cool. And when I'd see someone with one, I would actually just right click and follow them. This was around the time where Zezima was a big deal. If you played RuneScape in that time, that name probably rings a bell. It was people just knew this. If you saw Zezima 402, I can't remember his numbers, but if you saw Zezima, it was people would follow him. He would do that. At the same time in the game, there was rumors that if you watched the Draenor Bank break-in and you had the spell Telekinetic Grab ready, which for me as a kid who didn't understand how to get runes, where to go for them, and how to get enough to train magic, getting enough to get Telekinetic Grab. At this point, there was no GE. You had to go to the bank, and McAllister was not allowed to use chat anymore. So when I went to the bank, I just would trade people and try to get runes. It didn't work. I didn't know what to do, so I trained up to 32 magic so that I could go watch the bank break-ins cutscene, and I thought if I telekinetic grabbed the party hat, it was a rumor that would work. I remember people walking around with the hat on saying, I did it, it works, you can see it's on my head. It was just a wild thing to think about. So if you have any sort of love for RuneScape, the Leagues is a great way to go back and enjoy that. Honestly, this was just an excuse for me to get a blabber about my experience and to show off that I did it. I got an Abyssal Whip, and I got a Woodcutting Cape. The Woodcutting Cape came first, of course, and then I ended up making it down the way in Slayer and got my own Abyssal Whip to drop. I have it on video, and I'm thinking about making a more long-form version of this video, more storyboarded than just gushing about it, about my experience during the leagues. I'm probably going to wait for leagues to be over, and I'm thinking about calling it my Sentimental Man account, because it's going to go away and it's seasonal. So like sentimental, I'll figure it out. But if you all have any questions or want to play RuneScape together, I've started up working on my main again, and I've got my Iron Man running around. If you see the iron gloves, that's me and my brothers. So thank you all for watching. Any comments, leave them down below, and peace.